let me show you a prompt. First of all, we're using Copilot Premium. I'm going to access it from the bottom right-hand side of my screen. This brings up the window of Copilot so that I can begin to prompt, chat, edit, or plan. Let me point out a couple of things though. First of all, you see the shield? The shield is important. That shield implies enterprise data protection. So when we're inside of our Copilot in Microsoft 365, we're inside of enterprise data protection. Okay, if you look at the dots on the right-hand side there, this allows us to choose different models. But if you're a beginner, you'll probably just be fine with auto. We also have open in Microsoft 365 Copilot app. We'll go explore that shortly. You also have the ability to schedule prompts. If you're a beginner, it may be hard to know why you would want to do that. But if you build a prompt that performs a function for you every day, you can just schedule the prompt to run for you every day. Also, we have options like quick help with tutorials. I think those are important. And if you want to do a new temporary chat, that's a chat that doesn't stay. You don't get access to it. It's just temporary for you to ask a quick question and then it goes away. Okay, I also want to point out here we have an allow editing. If you hit that drop down, you can choose chat only. The difference between these two is chat only will talk to you, for lack of a better term to use, and allow editing will actually begin to edit your document. Okay, we like those version commands because if we allow editing, it's going to absolutely do that. All right, so let me add a little something here in my prompt. Okay, I'm going to ask it to include a header or footer, so let me just paste my prompt in here. Okay, and I'll go ahead and run this prompt. This is a very small prompt, a single sentence. It runs pretty fast. And what's cool here is it tells me it can't do it. But instead of just saying I can't do it, it also gives you instructions on how to do it. Okay, so just remember, not everything is available yet. And I say yet because it changes fast. Okay, well, let's see if we can give it something it can do.